Ready to unlock the full power of XEmpire by connecting it to your Tonkeeper wallet for seamless asset management? In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to link your XEmpire account to your Tonkeeper wallet, step by simple step. First, head over to the XEmpire website and log into your account using your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile settings or account settings page. Usually, you can find this in the drop-down menu under your username. Look for the option to connect your Tonkeeper wallet. It may be labeled as Connect Wallet, Link Tonkeeper, or something similar. Then click on it. A QR code will appear or you will be prompted to open your Tonkeeper app. Open the Tonkeeper app on your phone. Within the Tonkeeper app, either scan the QR code displayed on the XEmpire website, or if prompted, approve the connection request that pops up in the app. After approving the connection, you should see a confirmation message on the XEmpire website indicating that your Tonkeeper wallet is now successfully linked. You can now manage your XEmpire assets directly through your Tonkeeper wallet. That's all there is to it. You are now ready to dive deeper into the XEmpire ecosystem.